The autumn floods came early to the island of Sodor. They came without warning and devastated the cement works Fergus worked at. The Fat Controller offered the railway traction engine to work as a maintenance engine until the cement works could resume operations. Fergus was happy for this work and mainly carried around sandbags and other materials to help protect the line from flooding. On the 5th day of his stay, Fergus was taking a train of supplies down Edward's line. However, he was forced to come to a stop outside of the orchard.
Oh, what's wrong?
There's trees down up on the line ahead. We need to inspect the line to see if any more will be coming down before we can continue.
Great. Just what I wanted. Sitting around in the pouring rain all day. Just how... Ooh, a railway traction engine. I've never seen one of you before. Hello. I didn't know there were any other traction engines on the island. Yes, I know of one that live up near Scarlowy Lake and Fluent Marin, but my name's Trevor. What's yours? I'm Fergus, pride of the cement works. Oh, I've never been to a cement working before. What is that like? I crawl in and out of tunnels and mine shafts collecting the perfect materials for mixing into the cement. It has to be a perfect type of rock or I tell them to throw it out. The workmen all say I'm essential to their operations.
Trevor was fascinated.
Wow, I wish I was that important. I'm sure an engine such as yourself is important somehow.
Trevor laughed dryly.
Not exactly. I was sent to a scrapyard a couple months ago, and if it wasn't for Edward, I'd be nothing but melted down steel and spare parts right now. I'd love to be essential. The vicar must find you essential if he has you working for him. I guess so.
Fergus looked sadly at the other traction engine. Before he could speak, however, the workmen came back up.
Alright, the line up is safe to go, and we need to get going quickly. Alright. Bye, Trevor, and remember, you are essential. Bye, Fergus. It was lovely meeting you.
Fergus left, feeling disheartened. Trevor was a fellow traction engine, and he felt a great duty to help him.
There has to be some way of making Trevor feel essential,
Fergus thought, but he could think of nothing. The next day, Fergus was once again going down Edward's branch line when he noticed the fallen trees from the day before. Suddenly, it gave him an idea of how to help Trevor.
Oh! Fergus cried out in pain. I think one of those branches hit my undercarriage.
Alarmed, Fergus's driver slammed on the brakes and went out to inspect the traction engine. I don't see any damage.
Oh, I feel it underneath.
Oh, I can't inspect you until you're cooled down.
Drats.
That means I won't be able to finish this run.
Wait, I have an idea.
Right.
Trevor's just a little bit back up the line. He can take the train for me.
Just thought of this plan now, have you? Fine, I'll go get Trevor. Trevor came a little bit later, chuntering cheerfully.
This train is filled with sandbags and logs to protect the capital from the sea. It's very essential work and we need to be there soon. Leave it to me.
Trevor was hitched up and the train set off at a slow but sure pace. People watched Trevor slowly chug through the countryside. They clapped and cheered him on. Trevor was tiring, but within half an hour, they were at the station. Trevor moved Fergus onto a siding and headed home. A few days later, there was finally sunshine. Fergus was in Edward's yard when Trevor arrived.
Keeping busy, are you? Yes, my master says people saw my grand run and asked him to have me help them pull supplies in this rainy season. That's actually why I'm here, collecting supplies. It's very hard work.
But essential.
Maybe, but I think when this is over I'll stick to my quiet work. Being essential is quite tiring.
Fergus couldn't agree more.